In this video, we're going to be discussing about how to fix Epic Games social panel problem. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of things you want to do. The first thing you want to do is press Windows R and then write %localappdata % and click on OK. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and open Epic Games Launcher, delete all the folders that are inside of this and the Epic Games tab as well. Once you simply go ahead and do so, it is going to go ahead and solve your problem. However, if it still doesn't, what you want to do is simply press Ctrl Shift Escape and then quit your Epic Games launcher from here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and find the Epic Games launcher and then end task, and then simply go ahead and relaunch it. But next time you launch, simply go ahead and click on open file location, right click on it and click on show more options, properties, and then go to compatibility and make sure run this program as admin is turned on. Now you can simply go ahead and launch it, which will definitely fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.